Now, before performing a pre-op, you have two different options. Either you decide to put the infusion line and the cutter into a box or a bin and perform the pre-op. Or if you don't have access to such, you can also perform the pre-op before attaching the cutter and the three-way stepcock, simply by connecting the irrigation line and aspiration line together. The pre-op is done into the vitrectomy function. For visual purpose, we removed the sterile cover from the screen. So we ensure that we are in the vitrectomy function, that the light of our desirement is switched on. We already prepare the air function. Press the play button here. So the air is already ready. Ensure, as always, that the infusion line is opened. And then we press the pre-op button to rinse the tubings.